morning everyone. I am Shamli. I am a science teacher. In previous classes, we are discussing about already all learned about our food and playing with magnets. Okay, let's start our class. Which season are you in, children? We are in rainy season. So in rainy season, what happens, children? In rainy season, we get rain every day. So where does rain come from? Do you know, children? Today our lesson is rain, and where does it come from? Today our lesson is rain. Where does it come from? So this is our today's topic. Do you know, children, where does rain come from? Rain comes from clouds. Rain comes from clouds. Okay, next. Where does clouds come from? Clouds come from water. So now let's be discussing about water. First discussing about water. Water is available in nature three forms. The first one is solid form. The first one is solid form. The third one is liquid form. Next, the third one is gaseous form. So these are the forms of the water. So these are the forms of the water. So I will explain about first solid. Solid means take some water and keep in a refrigerator, leave it some time, and then we get ice cubes. So the ice is the solid form of the water. The next one is liquid form. When you heat ice cubes, it changes into water. So this is the liquid form of the water. The next one is gaseous form. Gaseous form means when you heat the water, it changes into gaseous form like water vapor. So in your daily life, you see this water vapor in the kitchen of your mother boiling some water. In that time you observe some vapors coming from the out of the bowl. So that is the water vapor. So this is the water vapor. So again I will explain to children. Today our topic is rain. Where does it come from? So first of all I will discuss about forms of the water. First one form is solid, liquid, third one gaseous. Solid means when you water keep in a refrigerator, we get ice cubes. So these are the solid form of the water. The next one is when you heat the ice, we get water. So that is called liquid form of the water. This water we are using every day for bathing, cooking, cleaning utensils, etc. So this is the water. And next one is gaseous form. That is called when you heat water, it changes into water vapor. So this is called third stage gaseous form. So this is the forms of your water. First, next one is this is the solid form ice, this is the liquid form water, this is the gaseous form water vapor. So these are the three forms of the water. Next one is when it cooled means when water. When you cool water, it changes into ice cubes. So this reaction is called interchangeable reaction. Interchangeable reaction. So this interchangeable reaction. Why you are calling that one? This reaction is interchangeable reaction because ice, when you heat ice, it changes into water. When you heat water, it changes into water vapor. Next, then at the same way, when you cool the water vapor, it changes into water. When you cool the water, it changes into ice. Means when you keep in refrigerator, water becomes ice. So this reaction is called interchangeable reaction. Next children, our topic is evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation means water changed into water vapor is called evaporation. In your daily life, you see that evaporation in your kitchen room. That one, like when you boil water, it changes into water vapor. Means in your kitchen room, your mother boiling water, keep it on the stove. So after some time, it heats slowly. Some vapors coming out from the bowl. So this is called evaporation. Like that only in our nature, water bodies like pond, sea, rivers, etc. The surface of the water bodies, this water evaporates due to sun heat. So this is also called evaporation. Means this water changes into water vapor. That is called evaporation. This is natural process. This is in our home. We are boiling water. Means that water changes into water vapor. So these two examples of evaporation. Again, I will tell you children. What is evaporation? Evaporation means very easy. Water change into water vapor. This is called evaporation. When you water change into water vapor, when you boil the water, it change into water vapor. In your kitchen room, your mother prepares curries or any boiling water, etc. Means when you keep it on the stove, it heated slowly, and then we observe that some vapors coming out of the bowl. So this is called water vapor. So here what happening here? This water change into water vapor. So this is called evaporation. This occurs in your kitchen room, but this is in the nature. In the nature, water bodies like ponds, rivers, oceans and seas, etc. There is much water, more water will be there. The water change into water vapor due to sunlight. So sun gives us light and heat. So that's why that water heat and change into water vapor. This is also called evaporation. So this is the natural process. This is continuous process. Okay children, next topic is formation of clouds. Already we learned that what is evaporation. Evaporation means water bodies like river, ponds, etc. This water change into water vapor. It is called evaporation due to sunlight. So this is called evaporation. So this evaporation process is continuously occurs in the nature. So when the water evaporates continuously, this water vapor goes up and form clouds. one what happened means evaporation is water changed into water vapor. So this water vapor enters into the air and form clouds. Once again I will tell you, today's topic is formation of clouds. So already told you with water evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation means water bodies like river, pond, this water change into water vapor. So that is called evaporation. This evaporation continuously occurs in the nature. So this water vapor enters into the air. This is the all air, yes or no? So enters into the air and form clouds. So like that clouds will form. Okay children. Next topic is condensation. What is condensation? Condensation means water vapor changing to water is called condensation. Means already I told you there are three forms of the water. So water vapor change into water is called condensation. Example, in winter season we observe some droplets of the water on the grass. Okay, why these droplets observed in the grass? Because condensation. In winter season the climate is very cool. In the air have some water vapor. That water vapor by cooling change into water. So that water drops settle on the grass. So that's why on the grass we saw some droplets of the water. This is happened due to condensation. And next example, water bodies like seas, ponds, etc. This water on sunny day this water change into water vapor and form clouds. So this is called evaporation. On windy day means that winds blows very cool. So that the wind blows very cool. So in windy day the cool air touches the clouds, or clouds means water vapor. So clouds made up of water vapor. So in this water touch the clouds and water vapor. This water vapor change into water by the touching cool air. So this is called condensation. This is called condensation. Okay, can you explain children? Condensation. Condensation means water vapor change into water is called condensation. In winter season we observe this condensation in winter season only. In that time, early morning in the time, that there is water drops on the grass. Why is water drops in the grass? Because in winter season the climate is very cool. The air also very cool. In that air there are some water vapors, much water vapor. The water vapor change into water due to cool air touches. So this water drops it on the grass. So this water vapor change into water is also condensation. So this is the example of condensation. Dew drops on grass. And the next one is in nature we see some condensation. Already I told you evaporation means water bodies like ponds, rivers, etc. This water change into water vapor in sunny day. In sometimes in windy day the cool air will be there in the atmosphere. So the cool air touches the cloud. In this cloud there is a water vapor. So that water vapor change into water is Okay, children. The next topic is activity for condensation. So, before in previous we were discussing about what is condensation and examples. Now, we are doing one activity for condensation. This activity do in your home also, children. Don't forget it. First, take some water in a glass like this. Take some water in a glass and add some pieces of ice to it. So, in your house, we have some ice cubes. That's our refrigerator. So, the ice cubes, take some 2 or 3 pieces, add into glass, and next observe for few minutes. So, after that, you observe what happened to this glass. What happened, children? Do you think? Okay, already this one you are observed in the diary because we are drinking some cool water, yes or no? So when we added to these ice cubes into glass, so this glass will be cool, yes or no? So this glass will be cool. So in the outer side, what happened? Some water drops forms on the outer surface of the glass. Why? Because of condensation. Here I will explain. Outer air will be cool. I told you, in the air there is some water vapor. That water vapor touch the glass. This is also already cool. This glass will be cool. So touch the glass. This water vapor change into water and settle on the surface of the glass. So that's why we have observed some water drops on the outer surface of the glass. Okay, children? So this is the experiment to prove condensation. Again, I will explain to you, children. This activity for condensation do in your home. It is very easy. Okay, first take some water in the glass and after add some pieces of ice cubes in it. So observe for few minutes. What you observe? We observe some droplets of water there on the surface of the glass. So why these droplets occur there on the glass? Why? Because condensation. Because when you add some ice cubes, this glass also will be cool. So outer air there is some water vapor. This water vapor touches the glass and the water vapor change into water. So that water drops sit on the outer surface of the glass. So due to condensation, this outer water vapor change into water. So this is about condensation. So this activity do it in your home. Okay, children. Next, recall the discussed points. Already in this class we are discussing some points. First one is formation of water. So forms of water. Forms of water means in the nature the water available in 3 forms. First one is solid and second one is liquid, third one is gaseous. Solid form means ice. Ice is the solid form of the water and water is the liquid form of the water and water vapor is the gaseous form of the water. So these are forms of water. The next topic is evaporation. Evaporation means water change into water vapor by the heat of sunlight. So that is called evaporation. The next one is formation of clouds. Evaporation occurs in the nature. Yes or no? See, this process is continuously processed. So the water vapor the water bodies like river, oceans, etc., the water is changed into water vapor. That water vapor goes up and forms clouds. So this is the formation of clouds. The next topic is condensation. Condensation means water vapor change into water due to cool air. So that is called condensation. So already I explained on activity for condensation. So do the activity for condensation. What is the activity? Take one glass of water, add some ice cubes in it. So that ice cubes we are putting in the glass. So next observe what happened in the glass. What happened? Outer surface of the water, there are some water droplets. Yes or no? So why the water droplets are forms on the surface of the water? Why? Because of condensation. Because the outer air, there is a water vapor. So when you put some ice cubes in water, the outer air also cool. So the water vapor change into water due to condensation. So this is called condensation for an activity. So do that activity in your home. Don't forget it. And I will give you assignment, children, today. So assignment is this one. I gave 2 questions. Do this assignment in your home. Don't forget it. Do it this assignment and note it down in your book and write the answers and show to your parents. Okay. After you go to the school, I will see your books. So don't ignore it. So do it assignment also. The first question is, what are the forms of water? Already I told you there are 3 forms of water. So what are they? So write their names also. The next one is, do activity for condensation in page number 25. So I'll show to you. So this is the page number 25 and this is the activity for condensation. So do this activity to show to your parents. Okay. So and write the process also. There is a process in the textbook. So write the process also. So this is the assignment. Okay. These are the points we discussed in this class. Okay. Thank you. Okay children, again I will explain you about assignment. Don't forget, do it this assignment, show to your parents. I gave 2 questions to you according to this class, today's class. First question is, what are the forms of the water? What are they? So note it down in your notebook. And next, do activity for condensation. Already I told you one activity for condensation. Take one glass. Next, add some ice cubes in it. So these 2 questions write in a notebook and show to your parents. Don't forget it. Okay. So tomorrow I will discuss remaining lesson. So do this assignment and show to your parents. Thank you.